Hello, everyone. Welcome back to AnHome Tech Tips channel, where we navigate the digital world together. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: how to post anonymously on Facebook. Whether you're seeking advice without revealing your identity or just want to express yourself freely, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook and log into your account. Click on your profile picture at bottom right corner. Step 2. Navigate to the Groups section and select the group you wish to post in. Step 3. Look for the Anonymous Post button. It's usually located right under the Write Something text box. Step 4. Click on Anonymous Post. A pop-up will explain how anonymous posts work. Once you're ready, click Create Anonymous Post to continue. Step 5. Type out your message. Remember, you can include images, emojis, and more, just like a regular post. Step 6. Once you're done, hit the blue Submit button. If the group requires post approval, your post will be reviewed by admins and moderators. Otherwise, it'll be published immediately, and that's it. You've just made an anonymous post on Facebook. Remember, while your name and profile picture won't be visible to other group members, group admins and Facebook still have access to this information. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.